Hello people, come let's make this meat recipe. I call it bistecca. It's a meat that you can eat with wine, juice, water, anything you wish to. When you are tired of eating, and you can just make this and pair it with salad and you'll be good to go. So I added olive oil in my pan, rosemary, garlic, pepper, salt, oregano, basilic, because I would like to cook for a while. So yeah, I came to turn it. I want it to be very dried. Some people like it not too dried. So this is it, guys. Thank you for coming. Subscribe, follow me for more amazing videos. Thank you for the like and the support. Enjoy. Bye. Follow me on all social platforms. Lady B Varieties is the name.